Hi everyone, welcome back. In this session, let's talk about how to switch lines in the schematic editor of EasyEDA. Sometimes when you are drawing a schematic, you may want to work in millimeters for precision, or in inches if you are following certain component datasheets. Luckily, EasyEDA can make it really easy to switch between the two. At the top menu bar, you will see the unit drop-down. By default, it shows inch, but you can click here and change it to millimeter anytime. The grid and measurements will update instantly, so you always know exactly what scale you are working in. Now, to make things even faster, there are shortcut keys. If you are using the standard shortcut set, you just press Q to toggle between inch and millimeter. If you are on the professional shortcut set, then the shortcut is Alt plus Q. So, whether you are laying out a design based on datasheets or adjusting spacing with mechanical drawings, you can switch lines instantly without interrupting your workflow.